Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Now it's time for moving ahead with the next block. In previous block we completed discussion about sources of fibers, properties of fibers, extraction of plant fibers and kinds of plant fibers. Now in this video we are going to start block 4, that is making fabrics. The first LP of this block is history of clothing material. The aim of this lesson is to summarize the developments in the history of clothing material. The keywords are ancient, drape, sew, needle. The resources for today's lesson are S1 of your workbook, notebook and exit content book. Students, see this picture carefully and try to answer following questions. Why there is a need of clothing for human beings? What kind of clothes do you wear these days? Did ancient people also wear similar clothes? What were their clothes made of? Answers of these questions are: human beings need clothes for protecting their body from environment, that is from the heat of the sun, from the rain and from the cold of the winter. More specifically, from the harsh climatic conditions. Depending upon mood and occasion, we can wear variety of clothes of different styles and different fabrics. Ancient people used to wear very simple clothes made of things they could find around them like grass, leaves and animal skin. Students, the meaning of ancient is very old or which belongs to a period of history. Today we will learn about what ancient people wore and how the process of making clothes developed over a period of time. Now read the section of history of clothing material from your exit content book, or you can read it from the next slide. Students, you can pause the video and write the questions in your notebook which are given in the next slide and try to answer them. What did ancient people first use for covering themselves? How did the invention of the needle change people's clothing habits? Now let's discuss questions based on activity. When did ancient people start wearing clothes? Ancient people started wearing clothes more than 1 lakh years ago. What did ancient people first use for covering themselves? They wore clothes made of natural things like animal skin and fur, grasses and leaves, bones and shells. What kind of clothes did they wear? They used to wear clothes as one piece of cloth just draped on their bodies. Students, the meaning of drape is to put a piece of cloth on body to cover it. How did they wear these clothes? They used to tie their clothes with ropes or twigs of plants and trees. Now the next question is, why did ancient people use barks of trees and animal skin to cover themselves? Students, in ancient time only these things were available with them, so they used all the available material for covering their bodies, which was one of the first fibers people used. Hemp was the first fiber used by people. In fact, first time it was cultivated in China. How did clothing change over a time? Gradually, people started weaving fiber to make clothes and then began to sew leather and fur to make clothes and shoes. Now we wear stitched clothes made from many different kind of fibers like cotton, silk and wool. Now, what are the similarities between our clothing and that of the ancient people? So we people drape some of our clothes like sari, lungi and shawl, just as earlier people used to do. Now this flow chart is showing the clothing pattern of people in ancient time and the people of present day. In ancient time, people used to wear animal skin and fur for protecting themselves from the cold of the environment. They covered their body with grass and leaves to protect themselves from the heat of the sun. And nowadays, people used to wear stitched clothes from different material. Now the next question is, what were the main turning points in the development of clothing? The invention of needle and weaving were important for the development of clothing material. Needle helped people to sew different kinds of materials together to make clothes, and weaving helped them to weave fibers into fabric. The meaning of sew is to join piece of cloth using thread and needle. Now do the quick revision. Ancient people started wearing clothes more than 1 lakh years ago. They need clothing to protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. They used to wear clothes made of natural things like animal skin and fur, grasses and leaves, and bones and shells. They used to wear clothes as one piece of cloth just draped on their body. Invention of needle and weaving were important for the development of clothing materials. Weaving helped them to weave fibers into fabrics, and needle helped them to stitch the clothing material to make clothes. Now this is the time for doing homework. Students, finish your S1 in your workbook and complete practice questions 1, 2 and 3 from the Exceed content book. The question number 1, 2 and 3 are given in the next slide. Thanks for watching the video.